Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to model a 3D Fontana using Revit 2026. First, open your file in Autocad, then make a copy from it, CO. Then trim the left side, this one, or any side that you want. And I want also trim the inner lines. Also this one and this one. Let's delete this one. And let's save it. Control S. After that, open your Revit. Then go to Families, then New. Then select Furniture System. After that, press on Open. Change the unit, press UN. Again, then go to Length. Let's make it meter. And the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. After that, go to Front. Then Revolve. Then Insert. Import CAD. Then select your AutoCAD file. And the import unit is meter. Then press on Open. And here is our lines. Let's select them. Then press on Move. Select this point. To this point. Then go to Axis Line. Then press on this one. Let's make an axis line. After that, press on Finish. Then open it again. Select your lines. Press Ctrl C, the copy, then Finish. Then go to 3D. And here is our void, our extrusion. Then go to Create, Front. Let's make a void form, void revolve. Then press Ctrl V. And let's insert it here. Let's make it 1:1. Then go to Offset, copy. Then go to Offset. Let's make a copy, check the copy off. Then let's make it 0.005, then enter. And let's make the offset from inside. Press tab to select multiple lines. Then press on copy, on offset again. Copy is check none. And let's make this one to up. Also the same, this one. Also this one. The same here. And let's delete this one. Let's make a regular line. And here is our void revolve. Before we make the axis line, let's make a lines from here. And the same here. Let's delete this one. Let's make a lines. and let's make the axis line here. Then press on finish. Then go to 3D, and here is our Fontana. Let's open our Enscape. And here it is.